Describe your I'm getting late tonight outfit.
Ane, can I tell the truth? I had a silver jungie. I bought a silver pair of underwear, which was really bright and all. Ane, it didn't even fit me. I had to throw it because nothing happened after
Can
bought
I have it? Because I'm the angel.
Hi guys, my name is Danu and this is my beautiful Indi and we are here to play Truth or Add to Cart with Daras. Okay, so the game is quite simple. We are going to be asking each other questions.
Yep.
And if we fail to say the truth, we have to add to chart. So that means we'll be buying something for the other person. I really hope I get to answer everything and you get to buy me things.
No, I prefer it the other way. But yeah, let's give it a go and see.
Okay. So whoever has the most expensive card.
Out of the two of
Yeah.
us.
So we'll have to buy it for Valentine's Day at the Daras Valentine's sale.
I hope it's yours.
If you had the superpower to become invisible, what's the first thing you'd do?
Invisible.
Yeah.
First thing I would do, I'll just walk around naked.
That's the only way you will be invisible. Otherwise,
Maybe I'll add to cart.
What is it? Add to cart or?
Add to cart the naked seller.
Okay.
What was the most embarrassing thing that you ever did while on a date?
It was so long ago, I don't even know what I did. No. I've been dry for a long time.
I think I kind of know this answer.
What did I do? What? I didn't do anything. I actually, okay, I add to cart.
What? Adding what?
But I'm going to choose. You can pick.
I want a toaster.
Toaster.
Yeah.
Amazing. So simple. So, such a nice friend.
Because
fine.
I miss toasties. You know?
Okay. The square ones, right?
Yes. Like what we used to
Yeah.
get when we were school.
I have in the car. I'll give you when I go. Actually,
But I
no.
want the machine.
Sorry, I thought toasties. I actually have. You said I have chili in my mouth. It's because I ate that.
Oh,
Yeah.
cast toasties.
Yeah.
Okay.
What's the strangest thing you have ever bought?
Strangest thing. I'm very simple, right? I don't have strange things.
Sorry, but I'd laugh on the simple part.
Sorry. Strangest thing. No, I don't have anything strange. Do you know anything strange?
You have a few strange friends.
So mean. Stop laughing. You're disturbing everybody.
Sorry.
Okay, add to cart.
Add to cart.
So buy something.
I want a
Something small, please.
iPhone 12 Max Pro Black
I would have answered
with
that.
with AirPods and
No,
the
no,
charging
that's
socket.
too many things. One
No,
thing.
all. I want
so
the
you
full
will get more chances. Okay. One thing that you would make you immediately swipe left.
Clean nails and clean teeth. You know where, right? Swipe left is.
Yeah, the other
Amazing.
way. Oh.
Sweet, you are not on any of these apps, no?
No.
You are very busy with
Yeah.
reality.
I know.
Good, you
I
are one
wasn't
of those
the
lucky
person.
ones.
Okay, at least it doesn't go to the cart. So
Yeah. I want
You
clean
said-
nails and clean teeth. How to like get to doing anything without those? Sorry, but yeah. What do you like to be called in bed? I know.
why am I here? You know this, so I don't have to answer. I'm not adding this to cart. Do I really have to answer this?
Yeah.
He knows the answer.
Say,
What is it?
you tell.
You tell me.
Painting.
Huh?
Painting.
You know? You mean
Yeah.
no?
No.
No.
That was in March. That was in March. Sorry.
Angel.
doing devilish things.
I've been called that, so it's okay.
Okay.
Describe your I'm getting late tonight outfit.
Ane, can I tell the truth? I had a silver junkie. I bought a silver pair of underwear, which was really bright and all. Ane, it didn't even fit me. I had to throw it because nothing happened after
Can
I bought
I have it? Because I'm the angel.
I really had it for a long time. It was a CK silver. I never wore it because I never wore it.
If you
And
wore that, you
I
would have gotten
No, I
late?
thought when I get to the moment I wear it and come and look good. I never got to the moment, so I outgrew it. I
There
became
were a
fat.
few moments before though.
Yeah. At that time, I didn't have the andi. What's your most embarrassing fantasy?
Why am I getting all of these questions? I can't afford the cart already. I better say something for this.
You can skip. I have one more thing I need to buy.
I should skip it, I think. It's very embarrassing.
Oh, okay. Can I now ask? I also want a MacBook Air Pro new one from 2020, or I can keep it and buy it in 2021. That's about it. Because then I get the full set, no? But don't forget the charger and the cable and everything. The full works. Tempered glass as well. And the cover.
Okay. Since I have the most expensive cart now,
Yeah.
with your expensive
Gifts.
iPhone and the MacBook Air,
2020.
Okay, specify that.
iPhone 12 Max Pro Black.
Okay, MacBook Air is just MacBook Air.
Yeah.
Okay, since they're going to be in this cart and going to be available at Valentine's sale,
Yeah.
Daras.
Correct.
So I'll be
And you'll be
getting it
buying
for
it for me. And you know, because I'm a loving friend, I'll buy you your toast.
Thank you very much.
No worries. So guys, if you didn't know, you get to enjoy up to 70% off on easy monthly installment plan only with Daras for their Valentine's Day sale. And it's super awesome. If you want to gift someone something special, go ahead, start shopping and make this Valentine's Day season very, very special. And she is my dearest friend, and I'm so happy I got a chance to share the screen with her and do something fun. And happy Valentine's Day indeed.
Happy Valentine's.